Day 27 restorative yoga for chest and shoulders.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 27 of our meditation challenge with Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is going to be a little bit different. We're actually going to recline on our backs in a more heart-opening, chest and shoulder opening posture. So the things that you'll probably need, if you have a yoga block, definitely use that. If you don't have a yoga block, you can use your pillow and actually roll it up, or you can grab a towel and roll that towel up. So you have the option of the things that you would like to use. Grab them and let's get started. So I'm going to slide my blanket or my pillow out of the way. I'm going to place my block right here on my mat. I'm going to come into my back, and again, this is about opening the chest and opening the shoulders. We've been spending most of our time expanding and opening the heart, creating space in our mind as well as in our bodies through meditation. And this is just a great way to kind of surrender and let go on your back. So, come onto your back and you're going to place the block right around your shoulder blades, right underneath those two little shoulder blades. Yeah. And then you can keep your legs straight. Hips are going to stay on the floor and you're going to release back. So you want to make sure that block, you land it right there underneath the tips of the shoulder blades so that your shoulders, your neck, and your head are actually hanging off. And if you have your towel, you're going to roll that up, place it in the same position, or your pillow. And you're going to release onto your back. Again, hips are steady here on the mat. You can keep your knees bent. You can straighten your legs. Or if you want to get into your hips a little bit, you're going to bring the soles of your feet together. So whatever position feels great for you, do that. I'm going to go in and straighten my legs out and allow my feet to hang out to the side. Now my arms, I'm going to let those arms release nice and wide. If you want to get a little bit more into your shoulders, you're going to bring your elbows up in line with your shoulders and bend your arms like goalpost or cactus arms. So just be mindful about what you're feeling through your chest and your shoulders. If it's too much, maybe draw the arms in. If you want more, bend the arms and bring your elbows in line with your shoulders, palms facing up. Of course, close your eyes. Relax the tongue in your mouth. And allow yourself to simply be. This is a restorative posture for opening the chest and the shoulders, but it's a great place to chill and meditate. All I need you to do is surrender and let go. Allow the breath to flow deep in and out through your body. And feel that expansiveness across your chest and shoulders. Allow the body to become heavy and weighted into the mat. And as we pause here and begin to breathe in. As you exhale, relax your toes. Breathe in. Let go of any tension and stress, the soles of your feet or your ankles. Breathe in. And as you exhale, allow your feet to become heavy, simply dropping into the mat. Breathe in and let go of tension through your calf muscles and shins on each exhalation. Breathe in, relax the knees, the quads, your hamstrings. Breathing in, let go of tension through your hips. next 2 or 3 breaths, allow the entire body from the hips to the tips of your toes to become heavy. So everything from your hips to the soles of your feet. Exhale and let it relax. Now begin to feel the backs of your hands on the floor. Feel the texture you're touching. And as you exhale, relax your fingertips. Imagine weights in your hands, just letting them draw down to the earth. Breathing in. And as you exhale, release tension in your forearms, your biceps and your triceps. Breathing in. Relax your belly and your spine. And with the weight of the spine and the arms releasing down, with the height of your heart lifting as it's being supported by your towel, your pillow, or your block. Feel the chest expand on the breath. But then as you exhale, let it soften towards your spine. Allow the back of the head to become heavy. The eyelids rest heavy over your eyes. And your eyes drop deep into your eye sockets with each exhalation. And all together, let's take a deep breath in. Exhale out of your mouth. Deep breath in. Exhale out of the mouth. Just allow yourself to simply be, surrender, and let go. Another deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. Begin to slowly bring movement into your body by gently wiggling your fingers and your toes. If it feels nice, you can kind of windshield wiper your feet, or maybe even take the arms over your head and stretch a little bit. Bring your arms alongside your hips. Still staying connected to your breath. You're going to breathe in and exhale, bend the knees. Place the soles of your feet on the floor and just give yourself a few breaths to simply pause here. And then gently begin to roll over to one side. Gently, slowly rolling off your block, your blanket, or your pillow. And then take one hand, use it, place it against the floor to press and lift yourself up. come into a comfortable seat. Bring your palms together, let them rub against one another. Place your hands over your eyes, allow the warmth to seep in. And as you exhale, the hands fall and the eyes open. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me for this meditation today, and I will see you tomorrow.